Guys, welcome again. So we're gonna talk about how to find top winning and top selling product for any kind of drop shipping. So we're gonna talk about how you can find the best product for your drop shipping, how to find winning product for your drop shipping and winning and top selling. So the first step is to find the product is which products are trending. This is the best way to find top selling products. There are several websites that allows you to track the best products on wish.com. You can have a look through on wish.com. You can see the trending products and you will get the idea to which product is top selling right now. So there are plenty of sites for ideas available on the internet. On Amazon, the other idea is a great source of finding the best product for your drop shipping through Amazon.com. On Niche Scraper, a powerful tool that can help you to filter the best drop shipping products. Use paid services such as Sale Who. It requires you to pay a membership fee $67 per year to access, so you can find through the tons of trusted drop shipping suppliers and the products you get to know. Look for popular or bestseller actions. Check to see if that product is viral on the internet or not. If it is viral, so it will be a top selling product for sure, and winning product as well if it is viral. Check the number of views on YouTube. Pay attention to search results and find trusted suppliers.